All right, what we're going to be learning today is how to remove the battery from this 2014 Yamaha Bolt. And it's actually a very simple procedure. You need a little bit of the tools, right? You need a ratchet, 10mm socket, a star screwdriver up here, and number 5 Allen key, okay? First step, what do you want to do? You want to take your key and you want to undo this cover. All you got to do is just turn it, pops off, okay, just like that. And it's just being held by a grommet here and a little area right here, okay? Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take the 10mm, lefty loosey, righty tighty, oh, okay? And what we got to do, we have to remove the bolt, which is located right over here where my finger is. And I'm just going to put the wrench in and undo the bolt. Okay. All right, and this is it right here. The bolt is out. Next, we're just going to pop the seat. Okay. Okay, so the battery is actually located underneath here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go on the other side. Okay, and this is where I'm going to take my number 5 Allen key. And all you got to do is undo the bolt here and here. And that's what we're going to do next. Okay. And the bracket is going to pop off anyways. Okay. And bolt right in here. Okay, bracket pops out. Okay, come on. Okay, here we go. Just put it right here, and there's a plastic cover. That cover comes out. Okay, and this is where your battery is. Okay, next. We can go, you can film from here if you like. Okay. Next, what we want to do, we want to remove the CDI, the computer, right? There's a little clip right here. Move this up top, right? And there's a plastic cover, right? That we want to remove. And I just removed it. This holds the CDI, okay? There's another bungee that holds the battery. We will unclip that, okay? So this is where your battery is sitting, okay? So now this is where I'm going to take my screwdriver, and you always want to undo the negative first, okay? So, okay, we're going to pop the negative, okay, and that is good. Okay, so now the battery is fairly loose. Then I'm going to push the battery out a little bit, like this. Now I'm going to go on the other side and undo the positive prong, which is very simple to do right now. Okay, right here, take the positive and then just undo it. Okay, and that is completely out. Just put it right over here. And now the entire battery is just going to slide right out, okay? And in this case, we have a YTZ14S from USA. It's actually a very good battery, okay? Okay, so I just took the battery out, and just for shit and giggles, I picked this chart off, I don't know from where, and I just want to check my battery, if my battery is good, right? So, anyways, I'm just going to put it on my voltmeter. Put it right in here, DC volts, okay, and I'm going to put it up here. And I just want to check my battery, just for a shedding giggle. So positive and then negative, and check. Right now, this battery is at 12.91, and according to my sheet, it's better than 100%. Okay, so we're good to go, right? Normally, also what I do on my batteries when I buy them, right? This is actually fairly new battery. This is I bought this on the 30th of August 2024, so not long ago, right? And I'm just want to check all this out. So now we're gonna go in a reverse order, right? We're gonna take the battery and we're gonna slide the battery back in. So what we're gonna do, we have all the components right here. All I wanna do is, I'm just gonna slide the battery back in, right here, just like this. And, okay, good, 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 till I reach where the positive. And what we wanna do, we wanna connect the positive first. Okay, so I'm gonna have my little bolt right here. Okay. We're gonna connect it. There won't be any sparks and nobody's gonna get electrocuted. Okay, so I just get a little bit out. Okay, yeah, she's going in. Okay, and you wanna make it snug. According to the book, it's only 1 foot-pound. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna give her a good twist. Okay, good. And cover this up. Okay, now I'm going to slide the battery all the way in. Grab the negative, which is located right here. Okay, with my little accessory. I'm just going to put it right up here. Now I got to go on the other side and do the same thing. Okay, and just get this out. Okay, good. And tie this in. Okay, good. Perfect. Okay, so we have this done. Now what we're gonna do is I can put the all the components from this side first. Right, so I have the cover. I'll just put the cover in. Okay, just like this. The bracket that holds it. Just like this. Okay. Get the bolts. Okay, and just make them snug. You can also put blue Loctite if you really want. Okay, so that's nice and tight. And just like I said, right? If you like, you could put a blue Loctite. I don't. You know what I mean? This is going to wiggle a little bit. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so now we're going to install the top portion. And the way that you want to know it's going the correct way, it only goes like this. You're going to have a hole in here where a little grommet should be sitting, but mine snapped off and it only fits in here, right? If you put it right there, it won't fit. But if you line this up and this up, it will fit. Not a problem. So what we want to do, we want to go like this, fit it in here, and you can see that the hole up here is lining up, right? And I just got to get my okay, put this in there. No, okay, we're gonna hook up the battery first, like this. Okay, this underneath. Just like that. Okay, and now it fits well. Okay, then we're going to put the computer CDI on top. Okay, and it fits well. And then we're going to strap it just like this. Okay, and now I'm going to go take my accelerator right here. I'm just going to leave it right here. Okay, this looks good. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the seat back. Right, line up the seat with the bracket up here and line up this little knob and where the bolt goes, right in here where my finger is. Okay, so that's all I'm doing. Just gonna put it like this, line this up, and you can see it. Okay, yeah, right there. That's where I want it. I'm gonna take my 10mm, line that up here. Wiggle it about till it catches. Okay. And according to the book, this bolt should be 12 pounds, but if you make it snug, it's not going to go anywhere. Okay. Okay, good. And last thing, we want to take our protective cover, line everything up in there. Okay. Okay, good. And it's all good. So the last test that we're going to do, right, we want to make sure everything is connected the proper way. We're just going to turn the bike on. Oh yeah, and it's all good. Just come around on this side. See, I'm actually quite lucky because I have the Queso speedometer, and it tells me all kinds of different information, and it shows me the battery. So right now it's at 12.3. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start it. Okay, perfect, and it's charging. The charging system is good to go, and it's going back to 12.3, and all good to go. All right. So what we have learned here in this short little video is how to remove or replace the battery on your 2014 Yamaha Bolt. It's very straightforward. I'm sure you can do it. Okay, and again, if you like this video, please subscribe, share it, and give me a like. See you on the next one.